how to save login information on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to save login info on TikTok. So all you need to do is follow those steps I'm gonna give you. First thing, go to your TikTok, click on profile, click on those three buttons up there, and click on setting and privacy. Now click on security and login, which is the third option. Now click on the last option and turn on this option. Now you can turn it off. You need to enter your account info the next time you log in, and you choose if you want to turn it on or turn it off. Now go back, and this is it guys. This video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.